Unlock Instagram. Promote your business like a pro. Instagram marketing is revolutionizing how businesses connect with audiences, offering an unparalleled platform for brand visibility and engagement. Its visual-centric approach captures attention and fosters authentic connections. Instagram boasts over 1 billion monthly users, predominantly millennials and Gen Z, making it a goldmine for businesses targeting these demographics. Its features encourage interaction, driving brand loyalty and customer retention. Setting up a business profile on Instagram is straightforward. Start by switching to a business account, add a profile picture, write a compelling bio, and include your website link. A well-crafted bio is crucial. It should succinctly convey your brand's essence, include relevant keywords, and feature a call to action, guiding visitors to your website or latest promotion. Developing a content strategy tailored to your niche involves identifying your target audience, setting clear objectives, and planning a mix of content types, such as photos, videos, and carousel posts, to keep your feed dynamic. Consistency in visuals is vital for branding on Instagram. Stick to a cohesive color palette, use the same filters, and maintain a consistent theme to create a recognizable and appealing feed. Creating engaging posts is essential for driving interaction. Use a mix of photos, videos, and carousel posts. Share user-generated content, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and ask questions to encourage comments and shares. Instagram stories offer a unique way to connect with your audience. Use stickers, polls, and swipe-up links to make your stories interactive. Share limited-time offers and behind-the-scenes content to keep followers engaged. IGTV and Reels present opportunities for more in-depth and creative content. Use IGTV for detailed tutorials or interviews, and Reels for quick, entertaining clips that can quickly capture attention and go viral. Effective hashtag strategy can significantly boost your reach. Research industry-specific hashtags, mix popular and niche tags, and limit yourself to relevant hashtags. This helps in attracting the right audience and increasing engagement. Engaging with followers builds a strong community around your brand. Responding to comments and messages promptly fosters loyalty and trust. Hosting live sessions offers real-time interaction, enhancing connection and authenticity. Instagram ads amplify your reach and visibility. Crafting compelling ad copy and eye-catching visuals is crucial. Targeting specific demographics ensures your ads reach the right audience, maximizing return on investment. Collaborations with influencers can significantly expand your audience. Choosing influencers who align with your brand values is key. Authentic partnerships result in higher engagement and credible endorsements, driving more meaningful interactions. Analyzing metrics helps you understand what resonates with your audience. Instagram Insights provides valuable data on post performance and follower behavior. Regularly reviewing these metrics allows you to refine your strategy for better results. Contests and giveaways generate excitement and increase engagement. Clear rules and attractive prizes encourage participation. Promoting these events across your profile and other channels maximizes their impact, boosting your follower count and visibility. User-generated content is a powerful tool for businesses. Encouraging followers to create and share content not only builds community, but also provides authentic marketing materials that resonate with potential customers. Scheduling tools are essential for maintaining a consistent posting schedule. They allow you to plan and automate your content, ensuring regular engagement with your audience without the stress of manual posting. Staying updated with Instagram's algorithm changes and trends is crucial. By adapting to new features and best practices, you can maintain your competitive edge and continue to grow your audience effectively. Avoid common mistakes like neglecting engagement, overusing hashtags, and ignoring analytics. These pitfalls can hinder your growth and impact. Awareness and strategic planning can help you navigate them successfully. To conclude, Instagram marketing offers immense potential. Recap the key strategies discussed and take action. Start your Instagram marketing journey today to unlock new opportunities for your business. Thanks for watching.